Hey everybody, it's time for another Tony's Tidbits. And for this Christmas, I got the girls a Nintendo Switch. It's not the OLED version because most of the time we're going to be playing the Switch docked as a family. And one thing that I've been looking for is it does come with one dock, but we also have the master bedroom, and sometimes I want to play games before I go to sleep or something like that. Also, another use case is that I want a compact dock so that when we travel to somebody's house or we go to a hotel, we can hook up the Switch to the TV and allow the kids to play while we freshen up or get ready to go out for the night. So I'm going to show you two products. One is the compact dock that I mentioned, and another one is actually more of a convenience device or accessory that plugs into the Switch. And what it does is that it holds games and also has spots to charge 4 controllers, which gives you a total of 6 controllers that you can actually charge. So let me go into overview mode, show you the unboxing, plug the mini dock in, if you will, or the portable dock, and I'll show you also the accessory that I have. So here's the compact, I guess they call it the video converter dock for the Switch. And what I was looking for was something very compact to take along with me or to just have an extra dock. It comes with a pretty nice USB-C cable here. The really nice part is that it has a right angle end that you can either plug into the Switch or actually at the end of the device itself, or the charging. And the cool thing about this guy is it has HDMI built in, the USB 3 for charging controllers or whatever it may be, and the Type-C. This is where you would plug in so that you would connect this particular dock into the Switch. That way it powers the Switch, and also the video comes out to the TV. And as you can see, it's actually it plugs right into the wall, and you can plug it in to the TV. So it's very compact, very portable. I'll put a link to this in the description and also to the accessory that I have. Let's go hook this up. So we're in the back of my TV. I have my Switch here, which I guess the Switch in both of the controllers. Here is the compact dock, and it has a really nice swivel for the AC adapter that just goes like this. So what we're going to do is hook it all up, sort of, and then plug it in. So I have an existing HDMI cord that was going to my NES Mini, and we're just going to plug it in right here, like so. Kind of get the kink out here, all right? And then we're going to plug in the USB-C here. And if you see, there's the AC outlet. So we're just going to plug into the AC outlet, like so. So now it's plugged into the AC outlet. And all I have to do now is to take this USB-C cord, this right angle one, and plug it into the Switch like so. Boom. All right. And then we'll take the controller and we'll hit this guy to turn on. You see the Switch has turned on now, right there. It should turn on the TV, but it doesn't seem like it turned on the TV. So let me turn on the TV and see if we can get the Switch to go on. Give me a second here. I think the panel. Turning on the TV here. Let me pull this back a little bit so you can see. We have the Switch hooked up. We're going to change the input. I believe it is HDMI 3. There it is. So now you can see that we have the switch currently being displayed on the TV, which is great. So this is exactly what I wanted. You got, let me move this down, you have the really mini dock here. I'll clean up the cabling. We got this mini dock that's here, hooked into the TV, hooked up into the switch. So highly portable, really easy to use. And the TV is being projected with the switch. We can adjust this guy. So let me make sure that these are on. All right, so now we have this, and what I would recommend is to go into the system settings here. Let me adjust the TV. So right now it has a border around the TV, and what we're going to do is go over into the TV settings, and we're going to adjust the screen size, and we're going to adjust it up to 100%. Now when we go back, it is filling the whole screen. That's great. And we can go and call up Street Fighter. It's gonna call up, and it looks like the mini dock is doing exactly what I want it to do, which is to be a very compact, very portable mini dock that can be used in the bedroom, take it along to your friend's house, and to be able to charge it. So it's all self-contained into a very compact unit, and it's working very beautifully. So this is great. All right, so the next thing I'll show you is going to be the accessory that I have for the Nintendo Switch. Here is another plus of having such a compact console or dock, is that I basically just unhook this and put this behind the TV, and whenever I want to use it, I can basically just take this guy and plug it in. All the cables are still attached to the dock itself. So it's pretty clean when it comes to a cable situation, and you can just hide it right behind the TV, and then once you're ready to play your Switch, just unroll it and then plug it in, and then you're good to go. So that's definitely a plus, so that you can get those cords out of the way. On to the accessory that I bought for the Switch. It is this controller charging station, and it basically has 4 different slots to charge your Joy-Cons. You can have 2 Joy-Cons attached to the Switch, which will charge, and on the left side here has a slot for games. So we are a family of 4, and we needed expansion, or we needed a spot to charge these joysticks. There really wasn't much to it, so there wasn't really much to do on an unboxing video. But what I can show you here is the actual dock itself. Now, it does support 4 Joy-Cons, and then you can have an additional 2 Joy-Cons attached to the Switch so it can charge. So a total of 6 Joy-Cons to actually charge at the same time. And they're pretty easy. They come off like so, and then they have a little spot right there for the charging. You place it on to the slot, and they have an on-off switch right there, so you can turn it on, and then you can see which Joy-Cons are charging. Now, the cool thing with this particular accessory is it also has this little rounded semicircular shape where you can store your games. So you can just pull it out. Here's your Mario Kart 8. So it's pretty convenient. There's a slot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 games. So a pretty decent amount of storage space for games. And it sort of looks like this is the Animal Crossing dock. And it actually kind of looks like it goes with the actual original Switch dock itself. On this end of the accessory, there's a piece of tape. So you basically peel it and you stick it on. And on the side of the Switch dock, there are 2 USBs. And so the accessory plugs into the bottommost USB or USB-A connector. And it just easily sets there with your dock and charges your Joy-Cons. So definitely a pretty happy purchase about that, so we can keep all of our Joy-Cons charged. So there it is, 2 different accessories for the Switch. One is a compact Switch, highly portable Switch dock, and you also have the controller base or charging station so you charge your Joy-Cons. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to get future videos, hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications. Until next time, thanks for watching Tony's Tidbits.